Hey guys, JT here with an updated run of my Losi LST 3XLE. So you guys know I put a lot of work into this thing. Well, more work than you should if you've got a brand new car and ran it once. I'll go ahead and put that out there. To get this thing back up and running again. So I did go ahead and redo the diffs and stuff in it. And I'm out here kind of where I wear my crate the other day. And the reason why I kind of chose this area is because it's not a big open field. So I can do some quicker accelerations and stuff and hit more turns and stuff like that as well to test how these diffs are going to work out. So I am running a 6S lipos, two 3S's. They're brand new lipos actually. I picked them up from eBay. I got them for it was like about $100 shipped for both, and they're 50C. So, and right now I'm running it in low gear because I want to test to make sure everything is fine. And it's still going real good in low gear. These brand new batteries are really picking it up. I'm in a smaller area too, so it's gonna look a little bit faster than it normally would, but maybe what I'll try to do is run this the whole duration of the batteries, and then take it to maybe a larger field area too as well. So as I'm running and testing this, I'll let you guys know. I did contact Horizon Hobbies. They did take care of me. The shipping was about a couple days on the items, so it's been a little bit over a week since I got this truck and ran it the first time, and then of course the diffs went bad. So I'd advise, one, if you get this truck and you really like it and you want to keep it and all that, because it is a nice looking truck and it does handle well once you get past the diff issues, go ahead, don't even run it, open the diffs up, buy some diff oil, put some diff oil in there, shim the diffs, shim the sun and the spider gears. Now when I went through here and opened this differential up, the spider gears were not shim, but the diff rebuild kit, or actually the diff gears and stuff, had them in there. It had shims for the spider gears in there, so that was a good thing. It's actually running pretty good, especially in low gear just like this. So I do recommend, I mean, you're going to have to spend some extra money, or contact Horizon or Losi. You guys go ahead and put that stuff in there. Or go ahead and fix them, or put it in there and put some instructions so that when people get them, they know what they got to do to it. Because that just, I'd say 1 out of every maybe 5 people are not having problems. So that's about 4 out of 5 of people are having diff issues and stuff with it. So this is running good, and this is still in low gear. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in medium. Yeah, and that's just medium. Hopefully, I think he's gonna go out here and cut the grass on me. I might have to go to a different area, which is fine. I'm gonna because I would say, as I was saying earlier, if they put that stuff in there instead of, because I know they don't want to go in and open every kit up and have to redo it, but print out some instructions, put that in there, put some shims in there, put some dip oil in there. I mean, you're already charging $549 for it. I'm pretty sure if you just charge $10 more, you know, I keep the price the same, people will be willing to pay it to not go through the pain of having to fix differentials. I mean, woo. I flipped all the way over there. So that was a pretty big flip there. Part of the reason why this thing, when it flips like that off-road and it jumps up in the air like that, is because I still have the wheelie bar on. So basically what happens is when I go to run and jump and I hit something, the wheelie bar, because it's course it's not adjustable and it's just stuck in one place, which is fine. It digs into the ground and kind of throws the truck up higher. So, oh, I got bugs on my legs. They out here like, ooh, fresh meat. See, this area is pretty uneven over here, so I have to kind of get up here where it's a little bit smoother and try to open it up real quick. And see, that's in medium that I'm going right now. I think I can probably open it up right here. All right, let me try to come down full throttle real quick. Yeah, and that's in medium right there. So high is just gonna throw wheelies, and I will drive it in high in just a minute because I do need to test these diffs out. Well, these batteries are really performing well. I'm gonna have to get a couple more sets of these. I forgot what brand it is off the bat right now, but I'll try to remember and put that in the description. Because heck, I'd be satisfied with running this right here just on medium. I doubt I'll take the wheelie bar off anytime soon, because I will be running this like on road sometimes and all that. Trying to get some speed runs in as well. I just switched it to high. Probably won't be able to get it up to full speed. Not at least right there. And this sounds pretty cool on road. Listen to this as it comes down. Those tires gripping. Sorry, y'all. These bugs out here. I'm disturbing their rest. Y'all know the bugs come out at night. So they probably sleeping during the day, and they're like, oh, what's this dude doing out here? We might as well get something to eat while we was out partying all night. And flying all up on me. So the truck runs well. I mean, the AVC is turned on. It's not turned all the way up on it, but even without it, the truck's still gonna perform well. Because Losi does, I'll give them that. They do have nice, well-performing trucks and cars and stuff. It's just those diffs are gonna be the biggest issue with this thing. And they are the same differentials that they used in all their previous monster trucks. When I guess the LST first came out, double XL, triple XL. I was trying to see how much time I got left too. Probably got about another couple minutes of filming. So I have decided that this is not going to be my basher truck. I have the Outcast for that. And also my Creighton. I mean, if I want to go out and do stunts and kind of show off and do tricks and stuff, I'm going to pull my Outcast out. This isn't as durable as the Outcast. I've seen a lot of guys running this, and they've talked about the durability of it. And it's fine for what it is if you're going out running and stuff, but for doing tricks and all the stuff like the Outcast is made for, this one won't hold up. That's the body rubbing. For what it's worth, this thing does run well. It really does out the box. I'm not even gonna lie. Once you get those diffs fixed, I'm gonna say that for the next video or two, so you guys get used to me saying that. Once you get these diffs straightened out. All right, guys, this is running good. I think this guy's gonna get over here and probably trim this grass down some just a bit. And I don't want to be in his way, but this has been running good so far. I'm gonna run it some more and see how the diffs are. Do some forward, reverse, and stuff like that. Stops just to see how everything's holding up, and probably run another pack through it as well. And of course, I'll do more videos. Gonna get a ramp out and take it to a couple other places and run it too. But so far, so good. So you guys, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos and put your comments below if you've got ones. I'd love to hear some of your feedback of what you've done to some of these as well. So thanks, guys, for watching.